Let's work a problem from section 3.4. Here we're going to write the equation of a, let me blow that up so big. Write the equation for the line shown at the right. And we're going to write this equation in slope-intercept form because it's going to be solved for y. I'm just going to blow the screen up a little bit to the extent possible. We see that there is a point here on the y-axis at 0, 4. And that tells us that the y-intercept is 0, 4. And then we see another point down here, and it appears that its coordinates are x equal 4 and y equal -5. So there's another point at 4, -5. Now I'm just going to look at the graph and count the slope. From 0, 4, that's going to be down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So down 9 and run 4. And that tells me that the slope is -9/4. We could also calculate the slope by looking at our 2 points that we know and just using the slope formula, which is change in y over change in x. If we go ahead and just do that quickly, -5 minus 4, our change in y, over, same direction now, 4 minus 0, the change in x, gives us also a -9/4, which matches what we counted off. Quickest way to find the equation of this line is to use our slope-intercept formula because we know the slope and we know the y value of the y-intercept to be this number 4. So just substitute. And let's write this as y equal -9/4 x plus 4. And now we type y equal -9/4 x, and that was a plus 4, wasn't it? And we check. Excellent. Next question. All right, so there you've got a sample problem where we write the equation of a line using slope-intercept form. Good luck on those.